Good evening. How are you doing today? Welcome to today's class. In our today's class on permutation and combination, we will be looking at a question from Goldman on permutation from exercise 16.2, question number 17. Question number 17 says, a system of car registration is such that each car must have two letters. The first a consonant, comma, the second a vowel, followed by 3 digits. Example, TA 100. How many cars can be registered under this system? In this question, it is observed that the digits are repeated. The digits are repeated. Okay, let's look at the solution together. In looking at the solution, it said a system of car registration is such that each car must have 2 letters, the consonant first, the second vowel, followed by 3 digits. Example, TA100. So if you look at the example, the digits can be repeated. So how many car can be registered under this system? Solution. This registration system for cars allowed repetition of digits. Therefore, we have as follows. The cardinality of the vowels, that's 5, as A, E, I, O, U. The cardinality of the consonants, that's 21. Then the cardinality of the digits as the number is 0 to 9, that's 10. So the arrangement that allowed repetition of numbers is 21 permutation 1 times 5 permutation 1 times 10 raised to power 3. So 21 permutation 1 is equals to 21. 5 permutation 1 is equals to 5. And 10 raised to power 3 is equals to 1000. So we have 21 times 5 times 1000. That is 105,000. Now, assuming the arrangement will not allow repetition of digits, we have 21 permutation 1 times 5 permutation 1 times 10 permutation 3. That gives us 21 factorial over 20 factorial times 5 factorial over 4 factorial times 10 factorial over 7 factorial, which is 21 times 5 times 10 times 9 times 8, which is 75,600. Note, n permutation r is n factorial, all over bracket opens n minus r factorial. Okay, that's for the first question. Let's look at the second question. In the second question from the same text, we look at question number 14. It said, how many odd numbers with 3 digits can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you can use any of the digits more than once? How many odd numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you can use any of the digits more than once? Okay, let's look at the solution together. Look at the solution. It says If repetition of digits is allowed, the 3 digits numbers formed is 5 raised to power 3, which is 125 numbers. Now, if the 3 digits must be even numbers and repetition allowed, that means we have 5 times 2, which is 50. But if the 3 digits number must be odd number and repetition allowed, it means we have 5 times 5 times 3, which is 75 ways. But assuming repetition of digit is not allowed, the first one is 5 permutation 3, which gives us 5 factorial over 2 factorial, which is 5 times 4 times 3, which is 60 numbers formed. Now, if repetition is not allowed and the number must be even, then we have 2 permutation 1, because there are 2 even numbers there. Out of the 2 even numbers, we select 1 to end the formation, and there will be 4 numbers. Left. If one of them is taken, we have out of 4, we take 2. Out of 4, we take 2. That is 2 times 4 factorial over 2, which is 24 numbers formed. But if the digit formed will be odd, therefore we have 3 permutation 1, because there are 3 odd numbers. There is 1, 3, 5. So out of them we take 1, and out of the remaining 4 we take 2. That is 3 factorial over 2 factorial times 4 factorial over 2 factorial, which is 3 times 12, which is 36 numbers formed. Thank you for being part of our class today. Please do well to share our video if you come across it. Please, if you have any question, do drop for us at the comment section. We will attend to you. If you wish to hear from us, you can reach us through this contact 080-387-46884. God bless you.